Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job? A question that resonates with so many of us. The daily grind of the 9-to-5 can often feel like a hamster wheel, endlessly spinning but never actually moving forward. It's a universal frustration, isn't it? The lack of freedom to manage our own time, the constraint on our creativity, and the lingering feeling that we're not fully satisfied with our jobs. And yet, the thought of breaking free from this routine can seem daunting, almost unattainable. But what if I told you there's a way out? A way to reclaim your time, ignite your creativity, and find job satisfaction on your own terms. Introducing the concept of the side hustle, a personal venture, an entrepreneurial endeavor, a passion project. It's something you create and manage alongside your regular job, with the potential to replace your 9-to-5 grind. If you're feeling stuck in your 9-to-5 job, there is a way out. Your side hustle could be the key to your freedom. Imagine a life where you're your own boss, setting your own hours and pursuing your passion. That's the allure of the side hustle. It's not just about making extra money, although that's a big part of it. It's about carving out a space where you're in control, where you're doing something you love, and yes, where you're making your own financial destiny. So what's the big deal about a side hustle? Well, for starters, it's about financial independence. It's about not being tied down to a paycheck that's dictated by someone else. It's about having the ability to earn based on your own efforts and creativity. And let's be real, who wouldn't want that? But there's more to it than just the money. A side hustle also gives you a flexible schedule. No more clocking in and out at set times. You get to decide when you work and for how long. This flexibility allows you to balance your work, family, and personal life better. And let's not forget about personal satisfaction. There's something incredibly fulfilling about creating something of your own. Whether it's a product, a service, or a brand, it's yours. You built it from scratch. And there's a sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with that. It's a feeling that's hard to replicate in a traditional 9-to-5 job. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but it's just a side hustle. It's not like I can quit my day job. Well, that's where you're wrong. Today, more and more people are turning their side hustles into full-time jobs. And why not? If you're making enough money and you're passionate about what you're doing, the transition can be a natural one. Your side hustle can become more than just a hobby or a part-time job. It can become your new reality, and that reality can be one where you're happier, more fulfilled, and financially independent. So why not take a chance? Why not see where your side hustle can take you? The first step is finding the right side hustle for you. This might seem daunting, but it's actually quite exciting because it means you're about to embark on a journey that could potentially change your life. To choose the best side hustle for you, consider 3 key elements: your passion, your skills, and market demand. Let's break down each one. First, your passion. This is all about what you love to do. What gets you excited? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? Maybe it's photography, or writing, or creating handmade crafts. Whatever it is, it's important to choose a side hustle that you genuinely enjoy, because that's what will keep you motivated, even when things get tough. Next, your skills. What are you good at? This could be something you've learned in your current job, or a hobby you've been doing for years. It could also be a skill you're willing to learn. The key here is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills. If you're a great writer, for example, you could consider freelance writing or blogging. Finally, market demand. Is there a need for what you're offering? This is crucial because no matter how passionate you are or how skilled you are, if there's no demand for your product or service, your side hustle won't be successful. So, do your research. Look at trends, talk to potential customers, and find out what people are willing to pay for. Once you've identified your passion, your skills, and the market demand, it's time to brainstorm. Write down all your potential side hustle ideas. Don't limit yourself. Even if an idea seems far-fetched, write it down. You never know where it might lead. After you've brainstormed, research each potential side hustle. Look at the competition, the potential income, and the time commitment required. This will help you make an informed decision about which side hustle is the right fit for you. Remember, your side hustle should be something you love, something you're good at, and something that's in demand. This is the foundation of a successful side hustle. It's not just about making extra money. It's about creating a lifestyle that brings you fulfillment and joy. Now that you've chosen your side hustle, how do you make the transition? One of the first steps in transitioning from a 9-to-5 job to a side hustle is building a financial buffer. Think of this as your safety net. It's crucial to have enough savings to cover your living expenses for at least 6 months. This buffer will give you the freedom and peace of mind to focus on growing your side hustle without the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Next, you need a business plan. This isn't just for big corporations, even side hustlers need a roadmap. Your business plan should include your goals, your target market, and your strategies for reaching that market. It should also include your pricing and a financial projection. Remember, your business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document that you'll revise and update as your side hustle evolves. Once you have your financial buffer and business plan in place, you can start reducing your hours at your 9-to-5 job. This isn't a step to be taken lightly. Consider the impact on your income and benefits. You may want to transition gradually, perhaps by negotiating part-time hours or flexible working arrangements. It's also important to consider the legal aspects. Make sure you're not violating any non-compete clauses in your employment contract. You may also need to look into business licenses or permits depending on your side hustle. Remember, this transition isn't just about leaving your 9-to-5 job, it's about building a life that you love. So, take time for self-care. Don't burn yourself out trying to juggle your job and your side hustle. Prioritize tasks that move you closer to your goal, and don't be afraid to delegate or outsource tasks that you don't have time for or don't enjoy. Transitioning from your 9-to-5 job to your side hustle won't happen overnight, but with careful planning and determination, it is possible. It requires courage to step out of your comfort zone and venture into the unknown, but the rewards can be immense. You're not just building a business, you're building your dream life. So take that leap, and remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. The road to successful side hustling is not without its challenges. But fear not, for every challenge is a stepping stone towards success. So let's talk about some key strategies that can help you navigate this journey. First off, setting clear and realistic goals is crucial. Know what you want to achieve with your side hustle. Whether it's financial independence or just a creative outlet, having a clear vision will guide your decisions and keep you focused. Remember, these goals are not set in stone. As your side hustle grows, your goals should evolve with it. Now, staying motivated can be a tricky part. There will be days when you'll question your choices, when things won't go as planned. But don't let these moments deter you. Instead, use them as fuel to push harder. Embrace the journey, the ups and downs, because it's these experiences that shape you and your side hustle. Keep reminding yourself of why you started in the first place, and let that be your motivation. Time, the ever-elusive resource, is another factor you need to master. Effective time management is key to balancing your 9-to-5 job and your side hustle. Prioritize tasks, create schedules, and stick to them. Remember, consistency is key. Streamlining your work process can also help save time. Automate tasks where possible and focus on your strengths. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek help when needed. You're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of side hustlers out there, ready to share their experiences and advice. Join online forums, attend networking events, or find a mentor. Leverage these resources to learn, grow, and avoid potential pitfalls. Now let's keep it real. The path is not going to be easy. There will be obstacles, there will be setbacks. But remember, success comes to those who are determined, disciplined, and ready to overcome obstacles. So keep your eyes on the prize, keep pushing. And who knows, soon enough your side hustle might just turn into your main hustle. No more dreading Mondays. No more clock watching, no more feeling unfulfilled. Picture a life where you call the shots, where you follow your passion and turn it into your livelihood. We've traversed the landscape of escaping the 9-5 grind, understanding the side hustle solution, choosing your side hustle, and making that crucial transition. Now, it's time to take a step back and absorb the journey we've embarked on together. We've equipped you with the knowledge and the tools, but remember, the power to change resides in you. It's about embracing the uncertainty, the excitement, the freedom that comes with being your own boss. The road may be challenging, and yes, it may even be scary at times, but remember, the greatest victories come from the greatest challenges. So take a deep breath, take that first step, and dare to change your life. Your new life awaits. Are you ready to escape the 9-5 and embrace your side hustle?